My name is Tenzin Rabia. Presently, I'm the managing director of Tibet Times. Tibet Times, also called like Bodh Ki Dasbop in Tibetan, is a Tibetan language news agency based at Dharamshala. Since like Tibet Times incepted in 1996, and it has been the largest like Tibetan language news portal in Tibetan community, in and outside. Its main aim is to disseminate news from inside Tibet to the outside world, and also bridging the gap between the CTA government and the general public are the main things that Tibet Times has been working. And Tibet Times has been considered as one of the largest and biggest largest Tibetan news portal in exile community. And its prime aim is to create awareness to the society, as well as like giving time to time information regarding what's happening in exile and inside Tibet from time to time. It's because of that Tibet Times, the nature of work that what Tibet Times has been doing has been targeted. At one time, when we opened the TibetTimes.net website, there's some bots from the background, and which is creating like all the taking information from the users who are using the Tibetan website. And on a later date, and on some other occasions, like we do happen, Tibet Times had been, I think it's been hacked. Like when we enter TibetTimes.net into any browser, like it is just redirected to some other pages, and we are quite like sure that like it's been the Chinese government's behind that, but I'm not sure like whether it is correct or not. But like most probably it's a Chinese one. Yeah. When this kind of attacks happens to Tibet Times websites, first it's the image that Tibet Times it's among the viewers. It's got been diminished like because of that. The image has been affected. The Tibet Times website image has been affected, and the second one is the viewers who just visit our Tibetan websites has been their computer has been compromised because of like having this all those bots and all those things like malicious attacks and all those happens on their personal computers. For us personally, that as working in Tibet Times, it's a very annoying and very worrisome, because we can't do that. We can't tackle these situations as and when it happened, because of the resources that we are lacking in the Tibetan community as a whole, like where there are not hackers and who can create resolve these issues at a given point of time. So it's a long process, and it's a very heartbreaking moment, like because we can't able to cope up with these attacks at the very point of time and the need of time. So it's take us several days to resolve such an issue. When this kind of like hackings happens to TibetTimes.net, so at that point of time, like it's the work that Tibet Times does normally, giving information to the society, as to all the readers around the world, what's happening inside Tibet, and the breaking news, some breaking news inside Tibet, and also the news which we are providing to the general public on day-to-day basis has been compromised, like because we can't deliver on that on time. So during this process of like several days, it does affect the news flow that Tibet Times usually does, has been can't deliver on right time to the general public.